So बच्चे, illustration number 15, have a look. Lakshmi Limited purchased machine for rupees 40,000 on 1st October 2015. Depreciation is provided at the rate 10% per annum on diminishing balance method. We have purchased a machine on 1st October and depreciation will be provided 10% on diminishing balance method. On 1st January 2018, 1/4 of the machine was found unsuitable and disposed of for rupees 6,000. So 1/4 we have sold on 2018 January 1. On the same date, a new machinery at a cost of rupees 15,000 was purchased. Write up the machine account for 4 years. The accounts are closed on 31st March every year. So बच्चे, if you already know that you are going to sell 1/4 part of the machine, so it's better you can start with two balances. The question you will start with two balances on 2015 October 1. Let us suppose that you are having two machines, first part and second part. 1/4. You have purchased total machine for 40,000. 1/4 will be 10,000 and remaining part will be 30,000. If you will bifurcate in the beginning, it will be very easy to solve this question. You have purchased a machine for 40,000. 1/4 will be taken separately and 3/4 will be taken separately. Now, and you have purchased on October 1 and your books are closing on 31st March. This year will end on March 31. Now, बच्चे, you will charge depreciation on two balances. And depreciation you have to charge 10% on diminishing balance method. 10% of 1,000, 10,000 will be 1,000. But you have to charge for 6 months in the beginning. You have to consider the dates carefully, बच्चे. October, November, December, January, February and March. 500 will be charged for first machine and second 30,000. 10% of it will be 3,000 and for 6 months it will be 1,500. 10%, 3,000, 6 months, 1,500. So now you are having two balance series, बच्चे. 10,000 minus 500, 9,500. 30,000 minus 1,500, 28,500. Total will be 40,000. This is first year's balance. If you will consider that you are having two different machines, it will be very easy to sell off this first machine. Okay, beta. We have taken 6 months depreciation and then we have calculated the balance CD. This balance CD will become the balance BD of next year. April 1, two balance brought down. First and second, 9,500, 28,500. Nothing happened in this year also, bache. So what will happen? At the end of the year 2017, March 31, by depreciation, we will charge two depreciations, beta. First and second. 10% for the whole year. It will be, bache, 950. And 10% for the whole year, 2850. The total will be 3,800. Now you have to calculate two balance CDs on first machine and second machine. 9,500 minus 950. It will be 8,550. And then 28,500 minus 2,850. Two 5,750. 2 years have gone, bache, and the balance is now 38,000. Now this balance CD will become the balance BD of next year. Eight five five zero and 25750. Two balance BDs you are having now. This year, बच्चे, we have sold. This year, before 2018 March 31, the date is January 1. 2018 January 1. We have sold this 1/4 machine. First machine we have sold. It was damaged, so it was sold for 6,000. So how much we have used it, bache? For 9 months, from April to January. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. On 1st January, we have sold it out. So we have used for 9 months. We will charge appreciation 8550, 10%, and for 9 months only, it will be 641. And you have to calculate the loss. 8550 minus these two figures, 6000 and 641, it will be bache 1909. This is your loss. If you will initially divide the machine into two parts, 1/4 different and 3/4 separately, then what will happen? It will be very easy to calculate everything. This year will now end on 2018 March 31 by depreciation account. 10% of this will be the depreciation account now. You have to charge depreciation on the remaining balance and it will be 25750. And now you have to calculate 2575 balance CD of the remaining. It will be bache. This year we have purchased one more machine, beta. This year 2018, the same date we have purchased another machine. January 1 to balance to bank account we have purchased for 15,000. So we have to charge one more depreciation 2575 on this and 10% of 15,000 for 3 months only. 10% of 15,000 will be 1500 for 3 months. It will be 325. It will also be written here. Now you have to calculate two balances for second and third machine. 25750 minus 2575. 23185. And from 15,000 you will subtract 325. It will be 14,675. You are having two machines again, bache. 49200, 49200. Last year 2018 April 1, you are having now balance BD of two machines 23185 and 14675. This year will end on by depreciation account. You will charge depreciation for whole year 10%, 2318.5 and 1467.5. Two depreciations. Now you have to calculate the balance sheet. And this will be the end of the question. You have to subtract first depreciation from first machine and second from second machine. Any doubt, beta?